Okay, I can't even see it. I'm a beginner at this, Braden. This is our friend Braden DeLue. Actually used to be in our Sunday school class. Now he's here to catch some waves. He's a future professional surfer. What are you going to say when you win the OP Pro, Braden? Alright, go catch some waves. We'll record you.
How was your day at the beach? Nice and windy.
Loves the beach. He did really well, actually.
Yeah, considering all the wind was going up your nose and mouth and
We are so fortunate and we are so thankful to be by the beach. It's amazing to be here in just a few minutes in the middle of the day on a weekday. And we came down here obviously to enjoy the beautiful sand and blue waters and see the surfers, and I should have got in the water myself, but I didn't think there was any waves, and there are. Anyway, I wanted to share something that we learned from one of the wealthiest individuals in the United States, actually in the world for that matter. Nicole and I got a chance a while back to see the gentleman who, if you've ever heard of the book Rich Dad Poor Dad, best-selling book by Robert Kiyosaki, that book set records in the Guinness Book of World Records and otherwise. And Rich Dad Poor Dad was written by Robert Kiyosaki. His rich dad, Mr. Cunningham, trained us. We were able to go to a training now in Palm Desert not too long ago, or maybe a couple years ago. And he taught some amazing principles, taught some success strategies, and one of the most valuable things he taught us, or I should say reminded us, I've learned from Brian Tracy and others a long time ago, that you need to take time to think, to ponder, and to be still. And Brendan doesn't want to do that right now.
he's wiggling right out of his chair, huh?
I'll just say that that's one of the main reasons we came down, and we do it frequently. We get away and we turn, the phone was off, everything was off for a short time, just to think with a pad of paper. And you know the book, the classic book by Napoleon Hill, it's called not just Grow Rich, not Do and Grow Rich, but Think and Grow Rich. So take time to think is my advice to myself. And make sure you clear your thoughts and just let inspiration flow. Thanks, Brendan.
Thanks, Brendan. All right, we'll see you in the next video. Say
He's
bye.
done. He's done, so we're done.
Baby's expired. Bye. All right, we just got back from the beach and it was nice and windy out there, but lots of surfers that were enjoying the water. And Brendan, it was so cute. The wind was just, going through his mouth and nose, and he was just kind of like trying to breathe, but we helped him out with that. But we're back home. It's such a blessing. It's literally a 7-minute walk to the beach, but we drove today. So driving, it's about 2 minutes. So we are blessed. We love it. But give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and we'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye-bye.
What day is today? April
4th.
First day of April. So, we're going to play a game called Ooga Booga. And Brookie is going to be the judge. Watch what she does